We really focus on, the Bay Area lifestyle is busy. So what can we do to take the stress out of your car repair?
Stayed here because Justin helps me get my replacement cars and makes it easy and convenient and you're fast.
Think of us as if you have a transportation issue, that's when you reach out to us. Now, what does that mean? Do you have body work? Is it an extended warranty program? Do you just need a regular service or maintenance? Maybe you're working from home. No problem, we'll do free pickup and delivery. We have a courtesy car for you. Or maybe it's just more convenient where you want to drop the car off, then you're heading out on a flight. We have an after hours drop off. So when I think of what people love about us, it's, we can give you convenient options to still take care of the car, which is inconvenient to take care of and service your car. We'll make it convenient.